Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slay this Starfire look in DTI. If you're ready to light up the DTI runway like a true teen titan, in this tutorial we are channeling Starfire's iconic alien glam with bold colors, futuristic fits, and total superhero slay. So if you want to know how I create this look, let me show you how. So first I'm going to do the hair. First I'm going to go to the curly hair and put on this hair, but toggle it to bangs only. And here I'm going to change the color of the hair into red, like this one I think. And then I'm going to click on the straight hair and put on this hair. Then last one, this long hair in here with the same color. Now once you're done with the hair, you can start creating the outfit. So first for the top, I'm going to put on this top from the men's section, this one, and change the color into this purple color. This is the hex code. Then I'm going to put on this top with this color, combine it with this, and make it a dark purple color, this one. So there are two purple colors that I'm using. And here for the skirt, I'm going to wear this pink skirt in here and change the color into dark purple. And here I'm going to put on the belt, this belt in here, and make the color light purple, like this. And I'm going to put on this sleeves in here, change the color into light purple. And let's put on some accessory here. I'm going to wear this necklace and color it black and green. So I'm going to go with this green color and this silver and also green. And here I'm going to make this pom-pom looks like fire in green color, like this. And then I'm going to put on this shoe, this one, change the color into dark purple, the first one, and light purple, the second one, like this. And here I'm going to use some of the code and also currency items. So let's head to the fitting room. Here let's put on this currency dress, toggle it into on skirt, and change the color to the dark purple color, like this. And I'm going to put on this necklace from the code items and color it green. And also this boots, change the color into light purple and toggle it into even longer, like this. So now your Starfire look is done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.